From Actionable Ops, here's how to run Hermes as an always-on container that survives reboots and upgrades cleanly. Hermes in Docker. Here's the whole model in one idea. The image is stateless, it holds no data of yours. Everything that matters, config, keys, sessions, skills, memories, lives in a single data volume mounted at opt/data. The app tree at opt/Hermes is read-only, so the agent can't modify its own core. You upgrade by pulling a fresh image, and your data is never touched. Getting going is 2 commands. First, run setup interactively to launch the wizard and write your keys. You do this once. Then run it detached as a gateway, name it, restart unless stopped, mount the same volume, publish 8642. Inside, S6 overlay supervises the gateway, so if it crashes, it restarts in seconds. A handful of flags do the real work. -V mounts your data volume, that's the one you can't skip. -P8642 exposes the API and health endpoint. Restart unless stopped brings it back after a reboot. Set the dashboard flag to 1 to get the supervised web dashboard. One important change, the old insecure flag is now a no-op. If you bind to a non-loopback address, you must configure an auth provider, like Basic Auth or News Portal OAuth. No more unauthenticated public dashboards. Running more than one agent? The new pattern is one container hosting all profiles. Each profile gets its own S6 supervised gateway with auto restart and state that survives restarts. The boot reconciler brings back only the profiles that were running. You only need a separate container per profile for resource isolation or independent image pinning. Upgrades are the payoff. Pull the latest image, remove the old container, start fresh on the same volume. Config, sessions, memories are all still there. The S6 reconciler restores your running gateways automatically, and Docker exec drops to the Hermes user for you. Want the agent's commands sandboxed too? That's the Docker terminal backend in the configuration episode. That's running Hermes in Docker, built by Noose Research, and for more how-tos like this, that's actionableops.com.